Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is Grandpa Farouk's Garden. In this chapter, we will learn about the importance of plants in our life and how the plants are responsible, or you can say how the plants are helpful in making a person happy. So, we'll start with this story. This is a story of a boy, Amir, whose grandpa is having a garden. The name of the grandpa is Farouk, and he is having a garden in the city. So we'll start with the story. The story says, deep in the city, surrounded by houses and bricks and tar, you will find Grandpa Farouk's garden. They are saying that Grandpa Farouk's garden was inside the city and it was around, or it was near to the houses and bricks. That is the garden that was surrounded by houses and bricks and tar. Tar is a thick, sticky and dark paste that is used to make the roads. The black colored paste that is used to make the roads, that is known as tar. यू विल फाइंड ग्रैंड पास गार्डन, मतलब ग्रैंडपा फरूक का गार्डन कहाँ पे था? सिटी के अंदर, शहर के अंदर हाउसेस से घिरा हुआ और रोड से घिरा हुआ था, और आपको वो कहाँ मिलेगा? सिटी के बिल्कुल अंदर की तरफ. Now Amir visits grandpa once a week. Every week for one time Amir visits his grandfather, and he loves the leaves and the flowers and the trees that are in the garden. Amir, he loves the flowers, trees and the leaves in the garden. When Amir goes to grandpa's garden, he helps his grandpa in watering the plants, and along with watering the plants, he also helps his grandpa in all the works like fertilization of the plants, like he helps in the compost. Compost is a mixture of dead leaves and animals, and that is used as a fertilizer. Compost is basically जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं खाद. वो प्लांट्स को खाद डालने में भी ग्रैंडपा की मदद करता था, हेल्प करता था. एंड एवरी टाइम फॉर दैट डे व्हेन ही यूज्ड टू विजिट हिज ग्रैंडफादर, ही वर्क्स विद हिम. When they finish, they feast on a harvest of fruit. When they finish with their work, what do? They feast. Feast means they treat. They eat the fresh fruits that are grown in the garden. They eat the fresh fruits over there. One day, when Amir visited his grandfather, and when they completed the work, the grandfather did not eat his pear. Both of them, they feast on the fruits. One day they were working, and after completing their work, they started eating the pears, but his grandfather did not eat the pear. So Amir asked him why he is not eating his pear, what is wrong with him. Then grandpa told that his garden is dying. His garden is dying means कि उसका garden है जो वो खराब हो रहा है. Dying here doesn't mean मर रहा है, इसका means है कि जो उसके plants है garden के वो सारे खराब हो रहे हैं. Amir asked why, कैसे खराब हो रहे हैं? Grandpa said look closely, कि जो trees हैं, plants हैं, उनको ध्यान से देखो, उनके close जाके देखो. You will find out some pests. Pest means bugs. Bugs means जो कीड़े मकोड़े जो plants को खा जाते हैं. They are eating the plants. The pests are eating the plants. Grandpa told him that we need ladybirds because ladybirds help in eating the pests that are killing our plants. मतलब वो कहते हैं कि हमें ladybirds चाहिए क्योंकि जो ladybirds हैं वो सारे pest को खा जाते हैं, जो pest plants को खराब करते हैं. And they will help us in saving our plants. And if we have ladybirds, we can save our garden. So Amir said, I will bring you a bug or two. आमिर ने उनको बोला कि मैं आपको बग ला के दूंगा. For the whole next week, अगले पूरे वीक के लिए आमिर looked and searched and collected the ladybugs. Everywhere, whenever or wherever Amir went, he tried to find out the ladybirds because he wanted to take that ladybirds to his grandfather so that he can help them. He looked and searched for the ladybirds and he collected ladybirds. One day he went to the sports field. When he was playing, he found a ladybird. He collected it. Nextly, when he went to some shop, he found two of the ladybirds there and he collected them. He found three ladybirds at the park and there were four ladybirds behind the TV. टीवी के पीछे उसको 4 लेडी बर्ड्स मिल गए. नेक्स्ट वीक व्हेन आमिर वेंट टू विजिट हिज ग्रैंडपा, ही शोड हिम हिज jar which is having 10 bugs. Means for the whole previous week आमिर ने 10 bugs collect कर लिए थे and आमिर showed that jar that is full of bugs to his grandfather, and his grandfather was very proud of him and he said, you have done it very well. And he became emotional. There was a tear in his eye. He became happy that his grandson, he has done such a good job of collecting the ladybirds so that they can help in preventing the garden from the bugs or the pests. मतलब वो बहुत खुश हुए उस चीज को देख के. Grandpa was very happy and the ladybirds were hungry because जो ladybirds थे वो जार में थे तो उनको भूख भी लग गई थी, वो hungry थे और grandpa बहुत happy हुए क्योंकि उनको ladybirds मिल गए थे. So उन्होंने क्या किया, जार में से ladybirds को निकाल दिया. All the ladybirds what they did, they eat all the pests and the garden blossomed once again. Blossomed means garden है जो वो बहुत ही फिर से हरा भरा हो गया, सुंदर दिखने लग गया. From that day on, Grandpa Farouk's garden did what gardens should do. It grew and grew and grew. Means उस दिन से Grandpa Farouk के garden में क्या हुआ, वो बाकी जैसे garden सारे हरे भरे होते हैं वो भी वैसा ही बन गया. जो leaves plants थे, trees थे, वो उनमें leaves आने शुरू हो गए और वो बहुत ही सुंदर दिखने लग गया. So what we have learned from this chapter or from this story, that plants play a very important role in the lives of animals and human beings. How? As we human beings, we feed on the plants, right? When we eat plants, whatever we need to eat, we take it from plants, like vegetables, wheat, all things come from the plants. Secondly, plants are an important source of oxygen, right? Plants give us oxygen and they take carbon dioxide from us and they keep the environment and our surroundings clean, right? Secondly, animals, for the animals and the birds, the plants are also important, as we have seen in the story that the ladybirds eat pests and pests were where? Pests were there on the plants. Similarly, we can say the plants, these are the sources of happiness for a person. As Grandpa Farouk's hobby was having a garden, he grows plants in the garden, right? So it was his hobby that makes him happy. So we can also say the plants are an important source that can make a person happy. And we have also learned that being a child, you should help your elders whenever they need, so that you can help them in remaining happy, in staying happy. As when you help your elders, like sometimes your elders are not much capable of doing something, कई बार वो अपने लिए कुछ ऐसा नहीं कर पाते हैं जो उनको requirement होती है, तो you should help your elders so that they can remain happy and they will give you blessings for that. So this was all about the story. Now in the next video, we will learn about the various exercises that are given in this chapter, along with how to solve and how to attempt these exercises. Thank you.